Ever wondered how some people grow their wealth while others struggle to save? Imagine turning a modest investment into a portfolio worth millions. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how I did it and how you can, too. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps so anyone, even a beginner, can get started. Hi, and welcome to this video on stock market basics for beginners. If you're here, you're probably looking for a way to grow your wealth, but feel a bit overwhelmed by the stock market. Trust me, I've been there. In this video, I'll share the exact steps I used to grow my portfolio to millions. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start investing confidently and build your own path to financial success. What is the stock market? Let's start with the basics. The stock market is like a marketplace where you can buy and sell small pieces of ownership in companies, called stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a share of that company. If the company grows and makes money, so does the value of your stock. Think of it as owning a slice of a big pizza. The more valuable the pizza, the more valuable your slice. Why invest in the stock market? Your money grows over time. Historically, the stock market has given better returns than keeping money in a savings account. Power of compounding. Imagine reinvesting your earnings and watching your money grow exponentially over time, beating inflation. By investing, your money maintains its value and grows beyond inflation. How I started. When I began, I had no fancy tools or financial degree. I focused on 3 principles. Start small, but start now. I invested as little as $100 in the beginning. Invest consistently. Every month, I added a small amount, even during market dips. Educate yourself. I read books, watched videos like this, and followed credible financial experts. 5. Stock market basics for beginners. Here are the foundational steps to start investing. Step 1. Set your goals. Why are you investing? Retirement, buying a house, growing wealth. Your goals will determine your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Step 2. Understand different investment options. Individual stocks, high risk, high reward. Great if you research companies well. ETFs, exchange traded funds, low risk bundles of stocks, like a pre-made basket, perfect for beginners. Index funds, a passive investment tracking a stock market index, like the S&P 500. Step 3. Open a brokerage account. Find a user-friendly platform, Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Look for low fees and great educational resources. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread investments across sectors, for example, tech, healthcare, to reduce risk. Step 5. Stay patient. The stock market is a long game. Avoid emotional decisions and stick to your plan. 6. Lessons I learned growing my portfolio. 2 million. Start early. Timing the market beats timing the market. Stay consistent. Invest regularly, even during downturns. Do your research. Understand the companies and funds you invest in. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Chasing trends often leads to losses. 7. Tools and resources for beginners. Books. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Apps. Robinhood, Trade, Acorns for beginners. Websites. Investopedia, Morningstar for research. 8. My personal advice for beginners. If you're new, start small with index funds or ETFs. Once you're comfortable, you can branch out into individual stocks. Always keep a portion of your investments in safer options like bonds or savings for emergencies. Now it's your turn. Open that brokerage account, pick your first stock or ETF, and take the first step toward financial freedom. If I can do it, so can you. If this video helped simplify the stock market for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly financial tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest question about the stock market? I'd love to help.